we are going to start. I am going to start the term 2. It means that volume 1 we have finished. If I will talk about volume 1, there are 2 books in chemistry. This is called volume 1 and volume 2. Okay, volume 1 book is carrying these unit 1. Now it is revision also. Okay, side by side. Revision 1 is unit 1. Yes, Rupender, quickly. What is the name of unit 1?
Sir, some basic concept of chemistry.
Yes, some basic concept of chemistry, in which we have studied about the basic of chemistry, in which significant figure, empirical formula, molecular mass, law of chemical combination. These were some of the important basics of chemistry. So basically unit 1 and 2. Unit 1 is, it will come in your exam 3 marks. Yeah, side by side you write this also in your notebook. It will come in 3 marks in your final exam. I'm talking about final exam. Unit 2, it will come of 5 marks. Unit 3, unit 2 was structure of atom. Am I right? Structure of atom, in which we talked about all the history. Already you have studied in 9th class the structure of atom, and in this particular year also we have studied this same. Now unit 2, that is okay, that will come of 5 marks. Unit 3 is classification of element, which is in 10th class you studied periodic table. It is same. In this year also we have studied the same classification and periodicity, periods, groups, these all things, and it will come up 3 marks. Unit 4 is very important, that is chemical bonding and molecular structure, which is playing very important role in chemistry. If you somewhere not understood the chapter 4, so please don't forget to study this, because this will help us in future classes also. Okay, so it will come off 5 marks. Unit 5 we did, that is states of matter. It is also very important, in which gases and liquid. We talked about gases and liquid states, and in gases and liquid states especially we focused on gases, where gas law is important, ideal gas is very important, Boyle's law, Charles law, Avogadro's law we did, and this chapter will come off 4 marks. Then unit 6 we did thermodynamics, which is related to transfer of heat. In junior classes we studied conduction, convection, radiations. So in +1 class the same conduction, convection, radiation came in the form of thermodynamics. Okay, there more focus was on the derivations. What is the thermodynamical term that we are using, because first time we studied that, we come to know that enthalpy is the name that can be taken in place of heat. Okay, entropy is what? It is the motion of those particles which is inside the metal, any metal. So these are the basic things. Gives free energy, is feasibility, it is telling us about the feasibility. All these important things we have studied here, that will come off 5 marks. Unit 7, equilibrium, where chapter divided into 2 parts, ionic equilibrium and chemical equilibrium. Can you tell me what are the important topics in ionic equilibrium? Yes, who will tell? Yes, Suhani. Can you tell, Beta? Very important topics of ionic equilibrium.
The ionic equilibrium?
Yes, ionic equilibrium. Any topics?
Acid and bases.
Yes, definitions of acid and bases on the basis of 3 basic scientific. Arrhenius, very good.
Lewis.
Arrhenius, next. Lewis, it is Lewis, acid base, and Bronsted-Lowry, acid base. Okay, then after that we studied here in ionic equilibrium about
Definition of pH.
Definition of pH and calculation of pH. You all have studied that, how to calculate the pH value of any salt which is given the molarity. Mole is given and how to calculate pH that you studied. Okay. And then chemical equilibrium. In chemical equilibrium, basically laws we have studied: law of chemical equilibrium, law of mass action, the relation between Kp and Kc. Okay. These are the basic things that we have already studied. After this, we this chapter 7 will come off 5 marks, beta. It will come 5 marks, sorry. Then unit 8 we did. Unit 8. Unit 8 was, yes, Bandana, unit 8. What was the name of unit 8?
Redox reaction.
Redox reaction, in which we studied about oxidation and reduction. We talked about how to calculate the oxidation number. We talked about how to balance the oxidation number. Okay. So this chapter will also come off. This will come off 3 marks. So in this way, this is our term 1. Up to this is our term 1. This we have finished. Although some of the topics are removed by the state government, so we will see accordingly. We will study then. Okay, we will revise. So 5, 3, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 20, 25, 30, 33. So it means that, dear student, out of 60, 30 marks, 33 marks syllabus we have done. 33 marks syllabus we have done, finished. Okay. Is there any doubt in this volume 1? Any student,
No, sir.
any unit, whose any unit skipped? Yeah, any student who want to ask something from this unit, that you will drop or you will make the list in your simple page. Click this and do send it to me. Okay, clear? Got my point? Give me thumbs up those who understood. Okay, this is volume 1. This much we have done, and these are the units. Give me thumbs up. Okay. Okay, so now we are talking about volume 2. This is that thing which we have done. We have already done. Now this is that thing which we are going to do now, which we will do. Okay, volume 2 is also very important, and the best part of the volume 2 is it is related to organic and inorganic reaction chemistry. These are maximum chapter except 3rd unit and except 2nd and 3rd, 2nd, 3rd and 4th, sorry. Except these, rest of the units were related to physical chemistry. We did numerical, we did derivations, physical chemistry. Now whatever we will start, we are going to start with the unit 9. The name of the unit is hydrogen. Side hydrogen name likh raha hu. Hydrogen, it will come off 3 marks. Hydrogen word you know very well. It is the first element in the periodic table. It has so many unique properties. It is very important element. It plays very key role in the chemistry. Okay, so because of that we need to study it. Unit 10. Unit 10 will related to S block element. S block. Now see beta, those who studied unit 3 very sincerely, in detail, like classification of elements. From classification of element, how many blocks are there? S block, P block, D block, F block. 4 blocks are there or not? In which, especially in this class, we will study about S block and half P block. In +2 class, we will study half P block, D block, and F block. So it means that this is very important, not for only this year. This is very important for next year also. So you must understand what are the topics, what will be the topics in this. Okay. So now chapter 10 S block, it will come off 5 marks. Unit 11 P block will come off 6 marks. Little bit fast we will do because time limit is very less here. Unit 12, that will start organic chemistry. organic chemistry, and it will come off 5 marks. Unit 13, it is about hydrocarbon, and it will also come off 6 marks in your exam. Then unit 14, it is environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry, the general subject, it will come off 2 marks. So like this way, total 5, 3, 8, 8, 6, 14, 14, 6, 20, 25, 26, 27. 27 total. So like this way, volume 1 is 33. So total how many marks? Syllabus is there. How many marks syllabus would be there in final exam?
60.
It will be of 60 marks. And you know always exam is of 100 marks. If 60 marks theory is there, so 25 marks practical is there. And I am doing practical also simultaneously, and almost 3 practical we have finished. Here I just want to tell you, if you are facing any problem related to practical, how to write, beta, you can take when your parents are coming to school to drop the notebook of test exam. Ask your parents to take practical notebook from me, previous year practical notebook, last year practical notebook. So the same way you will note down in new practical notebook. Same way you will write. Getting my point? This is a very important information. When your parents are coming to submit a exam notebook, you are request your parents to ask me to take previous year notebook, and whatever roll number is there, 1 to 34 roll number is there, so I will give you according to roll number. Like which student have 3 roll number, so I will give last year 3 roll number notebook, so that you will return in the same way. Got my point? And from now you will follow the new roll number, but roll number I have given according to your. Clear? So this is all about the volume. Now from tomorrow we are going to start with this unit, unit 9, hydrogen. Then slowly we will finish, and the moment most probably first week of like last week of October, we will try to finish our syllabus. Then in the month of November we will do revision once. In the month of December we will do this revision. In the month of November last, I think your exam is again there. You take screenshot of this, although I will take picture and I will send in your group also. Okay. So now it is clear to you. Volume 1, it will carry 33 marks. Volume 2, it is carrying 27 marks. Total, it is 60 marks theory. Okay. Volume 2, which we are doing, it needs lots of practice. Getting my point? So try to understand. Don't skip any class. Don't skip any live class. Don't skip any videos, because otherwise you will face problem, because each topics are interrelated to each other. Is anything that you want to speak here? Okay, one comment is there in chat box. Gia has written. When the moment I asked about that, how you found this school and teachers, because you are new student, so she has written, sir, teachers are very hardworking and giving their best to student. Thank you. We are feeling very, very privileged for this. And see, hard work is always paying sweet result. So we have taught by our principal, by our head, that we need to keep on doing hard work. And nobody is remaining always with us. You will also go after 2 years. But the thing that you will learn from us, that will remain forever. And this we want. Okay, now this meeting left less than 1 minute. If anybody wants to say anything, then you will leave the meeting. No need to rejoin. Okay. This was the information today I want to give you. Yesterday your paper finished. So today we will not directly give you those all things. Tomorrow we will start. Yes. Anything, anybody? No? Hope
No,
so.
sir.
So this is clear to you, whatever I told today. Okay, now from tomorrow we are going to start our volume 2. So everybody have their books. You